Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody sent me this clip art, and when I was reading the email, I'm thinking clip art. This is a vector. Either he's traced it or he found a vector clip art. But he wants to be able to color the inside. You can see there's white for the foam, which he might want or might not want. So if he doesn't want it, we could grab this thing and see if we can't grab the center. Whoop. So we're gonna have to go to Object and ungroup it and then take away the foam. But he wants to color the inside. And I'm gonna use a yellow. Normally you would, well, you know what? We can change our background to blue. Let's make it green. And then you can go to the Smart Fill tool with a yellow and fill in the beer. Now it doesn't get into that spot, but you could fill it there and there and you're done. And now it's gonna look like that. Now I was just kind of playing around with this clip art in case he wants to color the other part. There is a problem at the top with, if we take the whole thing and go left click, right click and make an outline, normally you could take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and that does work. Or you could fill in this, but watch what happens when we use a black on the border to get that same thing. It's not going to get in every spot. And watch this. Well, now it's working. Earlier that had a leak. Maybe I'd done something to it. But to do it, you just have to fill in these other spots if that's what you were going to do. It's a pretty good graphic. The Smart Fill tool can't get into places that it can't reach. So you have to do it that way. But then you could always take and, take I hate to use yellow for a beer color, and then you just have to go in and fill up the parts. And you could even play with this and give this a little bit of the yellow tint. If you can do that, and maybe it won't be quite yellow, we could hold down the control button and add a little bit of white to it and make it a less of a yellow. I don't know what his plans are. Probably not going to do that. But that's just an idea. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.